Planning to tell bad habits, but I dropped them. I've had opponents, but I knocked them out. I climbed the highest mountains, I swam the coldest seas. There ain't a thing I face that can trust me.
Hold up. Take this. You snowboard, bro? There you go. You read the rapper, should have got up. Enjoy it, man. Make some noise one more time.
That's dope.
BC, British Columbia. Just came in, tore down the stage, got a snowboard. Coors Light, you want a beer too? Give him a beer. We gave him a board with a beer. Keep feeding him. Keep feeding him. Oh, someone opened it.
Force yourself or something. Yeah, I know. Sick.
You can trust us, man. Make some noise one time if you're proud of where you come from. Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. Say.
Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada.
If you ain't already standing, please stand for the national anthem. Got you.
Stand up. Sorry, guys.
We got to do it big for the last one, right? Everybody standing up. Put a hand in the air like this. One hand high. Come on, now can you feel that? Oh yeah, I feel that. It's worth going. Can you feel that? Oh yeah, I feel that. It's worth going. Say, oh Canada, oh Canada. What? Canada. Say, oh Canada, oh Canada.
Canada.
I got kids and shit.
I'm jealous.
I got 3 daughters at home.
I'm jealous.
I haven't brought them to Rob shows like this yet. One more? For this guy. You really want to do All About You?
Yeah.
Fuck it, bring him up here. Let's do this.
Yeah, Kenzie.
We didn't do it yesterday. We might as well do it today. Yeah. I don't got the whole thing. I said I never do the second verse. Yeah. Shit. I don't know, man. You know the first part, though?
Can you bring in the other part?
I'll beatbox if you want to rap.
Sitting on stage with Five Side, I don't even really know what's coming the fuck off my mind.
Okay, don't worry about it. We'll do the song. I'm playing, man. I'm a sarcastic Canadian, man. I'm sorry.
So am I. I'm Nova Scotian as well.
I love it, man. Ivy, let's take it back, man. This is an old song. You do Chad's part, you sing that part, I'll rap my shit.
Yeah.
Same thing we did last time. So like 5 years ago? 4 or 5 years ago?
About that.
Here it is. Here we go. I'll help you out, Joe.
Life's not what you take.
Life's not what you take.
It's not about the promises you made. It's not about the friends you might have made or love that is gone. Life is what you give.
Life is what you give.
It's not about the stupid things you did. It's not about the way it could have been. It's about moving on.
Do you know the words? Help me one time. Say.
It's all about you. So every morning when you wake up for the first step that you take, just think this all like me, and you make it through.
This life will leave you stressed out, left down with your neck out. Ain't nothing changed, real life, so we deal with it. But it feels like it's something strange. We wondering the dumbest things. Let every day get under our skin. Trouble again, trying to impress somebody else who's fucked in their head. So do you? You never make everyone happy, it just won't happen. At the end of the day, when all said and said, you better be ready to go back down. I learned slow, my first shows, my growth, my wisdom. Are you positive or you negative? It don't make a difference, not when you live it. Cause some of the most successful people on this planet will kill themselves for somebody else like they really could have managed. The weak bums, alcoholics on the streets with no rest, nowhere to rest, nowhere to stress, nowhere to sleep. And they say,
Fuck my morals.
I'm drinking away my sorrows. I'm living life and I'm happy. Shit, I ain't thinking about tomorrow. We go you and you.
So
So every morning when you wake up for the first step that you take,
Just think, it's all what you make.
you make it through.
Give it to him one more time like this. Say
It's all about you.
you and you.
So every morning when you wake up for the first step that you take, just think it's all what you make it through.
It's all about you. Make some noise for this motherfucker. Killed that. He was doing new notes that weren't even there, just throwing some harmonies. Hey, kill him, my man. Killed it. Thank you.
I wish we could finish it.
I wish we could too. 5 more years. 5 years, I'll bring the second verse. I'll do it again. 3 times, right? My man. One more time. Make some noise for this guy right here for doing that out. Kenzie, my man, Kenzie. I keep forgetting his name. I'll be honest, man. But I won't forget now, Kenzie. You just spilled his drink all over that lady. She's still giving him love, though. He did it. You can do that shit now, Kenzie. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I had a great time. The snow is falling. It's a beautiful afternoon. On the count of 3, say peace, and we're out. 1, 2, 3. Peace and thank you.
Let's do this.
Is Kenzie back out there? Oh, no. That's what it sounded like. Sounds like his raspy, drunk voice.
Where you guys from?
Talk about your life a little bit.
Yeah.
How fucked up it is. No. Shit. Hey. Like that smoke.
Fuck yourself.
Like that smoke.
Shotgun it.
No, you're shotgunning one.
Yeah,
You're on
but
camera,
You're gonna do
do
it right now.
You do the
and then I'll
first
do
one.
it.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna go around the circle on that.
I remember me and Steve first got here. John Chu was like showing us around town.
Yeah.
And he was like, yeah, just grab a 6-pack of Bow Valley Lager. That's like the cheap beer around here. And me and Steve were like, no, I'm just gonna get a pack of cold shots. We were just like,
Are you ready?
that's why you wear a tool belt at all times, Tater.
Got it right here.
You ready? Get right over here, Kenzie, so we can all get in here doing this fuck shit.
What? You're on candid camera?
Yeah, you open it up afterwards. Yeah, as I remember. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I was gonna say don't do it over my bag, but I'll
Okay.
soak with beer anyways.
Okay, ready?
No, you gotta
flip-
open. You gotta
flip
open. Do what I'm doing.
We're sitting here.
Follow my lead there.
Line
you
up
fucking
that. That's where you want to put your hole.
talking to each
No,
other. Like this.
don't open it.
Just I've done this before. Just shut the
It
fuck
really
up.
doesn't look like you've
It's
done
gonna
this.
work. No, it's gonna work.
You're fucking it up right now. You're gonna fuck it up all
No,
over your
it's
face.
gonna-
Look at everybody.
It's gonna work fine.
Cause you poke it, you go like this, and then you crack it, right?
Pass me the key as soon as
So
you
what
do
the
it.
fuck are you doing?
You poke it here.
Scrody McBooger balls over here.
Okay,
Yes,
bitch.
look at me. Look at my position.
Okay.
You can open it here, and then you can hold on to it. while I
Okay,
open mine.
okay.
Oh,
cool,
it's gonna be
cool.
awesome when
You
you
ready?
puke later.
You ready? You ready?
Just do it.
Dude, McGuigan,
He's an idiot. You ready?
I mean, I'm
Yeah,
ready to go
okay,
here.
1,
Just
2,
laugh
3.
at you.
Ready?
I think he's ready.
Give me the key.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Okay, dummies, this is how it's done.
Exactly.
Fucked up mine worse.
I forgot.
I was
I
like,
did it
whoa.
upside down.
I was
yeah.
like, Hater actually doesn't know what he's doing
I
right
know
now.
how to do that too. I just
You're a professional
he
alcoholic.
started doing it, and I just kind of
That's why.
Yeah.
At least I fucking did the whole beer. That's the main thing, right?
Yeah.
Then it spilled half of it, but
Yeah,
that was
that's
fun.
why it was fun. Yeah, he just cracked it. I was like, oh shit. Did it.